Hi, I'm Neetu and I teach biology at Azim Premji University in Bhopal. We are organizing a 2-day workshop for high school and secondary school teachers on the topic of inquiry-based learning in biology classroom, which will focus upon competency-based education, and it will also introduce conceptual-based learning over rote memorization. And the whole idea is to design a lesson plan in a manner in which the students can get engaged, they can explore, they can learn through small activities, and that will make learning all fun. So, with this activity, the learning plan will look more fun and interesting. The students will be able to have the critical thinking regarding that particular topic, and they will enjoy the whole subject. This workshop will also introduce different pedagogies which are in general used for inquiry based teaching, and we are also planning to familiarize the teachers with different career options which are available after getting the degree in biology. So we are hoping this will be a very useful exercise for the teachers, and we hope that you will join us for this workshop.